Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together your hair extension trolley. It's extremely easy and everything that you need is actually in the box. However, I would recommend having a drill handy, because if you want to get it put together really tight and sturdy, sometimes it's best just to have that little bit of extra hold when you're putting together a flat pack. So we're going to get started. So open up your box. So first of all, you've got instructions, which I didn't really use, kind of just figured it out. It's really easy. So pop this to the side, you'll have your stand. Now first of all, you want to put your wheels onto your base. So take this off. And you'll have your wheels. So pop your wheels onto your base. They just pop in like this, really nice and easy. So get your wheels on, and then you'll see this little black piece here that just goes straight inside this base. So push down on that. And push that in nice and firm, and then you'll pop your stand on, which goes that way round. That just goes straight in there. Now you're actually going to secure this from underneath, so you'll find in the bag that had your wheels, you'll have a little metal plate. Pop that, just sit that on top, and then you'll have a long screw, a long silver screw. You're going to place that in and secure that, just using your Allen key that was supplied in your kit. Nice and tight. Turn him over. So you'll also have a few gold screws and a silver screw. Pop them aside for now. And you can pull out your top piece. You'll also have this last piece here. Now this actually connects to the underneath of your top plate. So place it this way down on top, and you're going to screw that in using the little gold screws that were supplied. I'm going to do this and then come back to the camera so that you don't have to watch me do that. This is where you might want to use a drill to get it tight, or just make sure you do get it really tight. Be careful if you're going to use a drill that you don't split the plastic. Okay, so I've just finished screwing my plate onto the back there. So pop it on top of the stand. You'll find that you can pull out the inside here, tighten that, and put your top plate on. And the last thing you need to do is use that tiny little silver screw just to attach your top plate to the stand. So there's a screw hole on the side there, and you want to just get that in as tight as you can. Again, if you want it really tight and sturdy, get in there with a drill, but just be careful not to go too hard with it. And after that, you will just need to get your teeth that were included and apply them around the edges. And then you have your hair extension trolley ready for business. So you're going to love it. It's going to make life so much easier for you. If you have any dramas at all popping together your trolley, please reach out to us. Otherwise, enjoy.